Namaste, dear learners. I welcome you all to our series of video lessons. Today, we are going to discuss an essay called The Man in Black. The present essay is written by Oliver Goldsmith and it is prescribed for BA PIP semester Basic English, Rani Channamma University, Belagavi. The subtitle of today's video lesson is the description of the character the man in black. After completing this session, the students will be able to know the character of the man in black, and the students will be able to know the variety of people in human nature. The session outcomes of are the students will understand the character of the man in black, and also the students will understand the human nature, how man changes or how human behavior changes according to the situation. Before going to deal with the essay, we will have a quick recap of what we have discussed in our previous class. In our previous class, we learned that Oliver Goldsmith was not only a poet but he was also a dramatist, essayist, and a novelist. We also learned that he is known for his popular prose work, The Citizen of the World, and the present essay is also published in The Citizen of the World. His essays are known for the creation of wonderful characters like the man in black and Beau Tibbs. The present essay, The Man in Black, is a mockery of the contemporary society, and in the present essay, the author discusses how human behavior changes according to the situations, according to the time, and according to the need of the hour. The Man in Black essay is one of the best essays of Oliver Goldsmith. This essay is an excellent display of exemplification. In the present essay, the author talks of a man who is remorseful of his charitable actions. The man in the black essay deals with one particular person who seems to be remorseful, who seems to be guilty about his own actions. The man once was very charitable, and this charitability of the man makes him a pauper, and that's what makes him remorseful, sad, and guilty. The man is an obvious philanthropist. We learn that the character or the man in the essay is a philanthropist, but he is ashamed of it. The man in the essay is ashamed of his philanthropic behavior. Goldsmith lays out the ways and give examples of how he is the only man I ever knew who seemed ashamed of his natural benevolence. The man in this essay had got that philanthropic attitude naturally, and but the man seems to be remorseful, and he is the only person who seems to be remorseful for his benevolent behavior. There are two friends in the essay. One is Althangi and the man in black. Althangi is a Chinese traveler. He is visiting he is a traveler from China who visited different nations of the world to learn about their culture, their language, and more to say, he traveled throughout the world to learn about the human nature. As we know, Man in Black is the protagonist of this essay. The hero or the protagonist of the essay possesses self esteem. The manners of the man in black are tinctured with some strange inconsistencies. There are lot of inconsistencies in the character of the man in black. The man in the black is a humorist. He makes humor of everything in a nation of humorists. He is generous even to the profusion. He is more generous than all the other people of his contemporary society. The man in the black is a kind hearted person who is always ready to help others, who is always lends his helping hand to the people who are in need. At the same time, he wishes to seem to appear stern and hard hearted. Even though he is a kind hearted, he wants to appear to be stern and hard hearted. The heart of the man in black is dilated with the most unbounded love. We learn that the protagonist of the essay wants to show unbounded love, unconditional love to the world. The conversation of the protagonist are replete with the most sordid and selfish maxims. Whenever he talks, he seems to be very selfish, and his words reflect his character whenever he speaks. The man in the black represents the eccentricities of the people of England of that particular. The protagonist represents the people of England of 18th century. He seems to be kind and sympathetic to the poor people around him. The man or the protagonist use the language of the most unbounded ill nature. His looks are softened into pity. His looks are very pitiful, and he seems to be an innocent person. But he professes himself as a man hater. His cheek was glowing with compassion. The cheek of the man in black glows with compassion. The protagonist deliberately puts on a stern appearance, and he brings some affect to humanity and tenderness. Others boast of having such dispositions from nature, but this man seems to be different from others. The only man who seemed ashamed of his natural benevolence. The protagonist doesn't want to show his compassionate nature to the world. The protagonist takes as much pains to hide his feelings as any hypocrite would to conceal his indifference towards the society. But he was not able to maintain this assumed harmless for long because he was benevolent naturally and he was good by birth. He encounters with beggars and he expresses his sympathy, compassion towards the beggars. His mask drops off and the genial, kind man is revealed. When he meets the beggars, the mask he is wearing of sternness and harshness drops itself, and the original behavior, the original nature of the man is revealed itself. To conclude, Altangi keenly observed the character of the man in black. The man in black is very kind-hearted man, but he tries to show himself to be a man-hater. But as soon as he encounters with the beggars, his mask drops off. Any superficial observer can see the real man behind the mask the protagonist is wearing. Thank you very much. In our next video session, we will discuss the rest of the essay.